Your script opened font dialog box, but how can you be sure an expected window is displayed? During robotic process automation, you need to be sure you're in the right place all the time. The window command helps your script stay focused on a desired application window. After pointing your script to the right window, font, dialog box in this case, you can order the robot to press Tab key twice. Enter font size value of 50 and then press Enter. So let's do it here. Window, font, keyboard, tab 2, 50, and enter. Run the script. As you can see, it has stopped with an error, since font window is missing. Correct this typo with a proper window title font. And run the script again. You can check the titles of all active windows by pressing Ctrl+T or selecting Tools, Windows from the menu.